Everyday movements are the foundation of our daily lives. From walking to lifting objects, to enhance these movements, specific exercises can significantly improve strength, flexibility, and coordination. Starting with simple stretches can activate and warm up your muscles, preparing them for the tasks ahead. By engaging in dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings, you infuse vitality into your limbs, setting a vibrant tone for the rest of your day. Next, focus on strengthening your core muscles, which are crucial for stability and balance in all daily activities. Exercises such as planks and bird dogs engage multiple muscles, providing support for your spine while allowing for fluid movement. A strong core stabilizes your posture, making activities like bending down to tie your shoes or reaching for something on a shelf feel effortless. Incorporating these core exercises into your routine can transform how you navigate through life. Additionally, the importance of functional movements cannot be overstated. Squats and lunges replicate common movements like sitting down or climbing stairs. By practicing these exercises, you hone your body's ability to perform everyday tasks efficiently. Squats, for instance, not only strengthen your legs but also improve your hip mobility, allowing you to move with grace and ease. A well-executed lunge mimics walking, promoting better coordination and reducing the risk of injury as you go about your daily life. Moreover, incorporating agility drills enhances your body's quick response to sudden changes in direction, vital for physical tasks. Drills like lateral shuffles or cone drills sharpen your reflexes, making movements like dodging obstacles or moving swiftly more manageable. This agility doesn't just help in sports. It's equally invaluable when hustling through crowded spaces or navigating uneven terrain. Lastly, always remember that consistency is key. Gradually integrating these exercises into your daily routine ensures that improvements become part of your lifestyle. Set achievable goals, whether it's performing a set number of reps or dedicating 10 minutes each day to movement. As your strength and flexibility grow, you'll notice the ease with which you tackle everyday tasks, empowering you to live life to the fullest with newfound vigor and agility. Everyday movements like bending, reaching, and lifting can greatly influence our quality of life. As we grow older or lead more sedentary lifestyles, these simple actions may become challenging. Integrating purposeful exercises into your routine can enhance these movements, promoting better posture, flexibility, and strength. Start with the foundation, core stability. A strong core is vital for maintaining proper alignment and balance during daily activities. Simple exercises such as planks and bridges can engage the deep abdominal muscles. Begin with a plank, holding the position for 20-30 seconds while keeping your body in a straight line. As you progress, aim to increase the duration and incorporate variations like side planks, targeting the obliques next. Focus on flexibility and mobility with dynamic stretching. Incorporate movements like arm circles and leg swings to loosen up. This establishes a solid range of motion, allowing for more fluid movements throughout the day. Additionally, yoga or Pilates can expand your flexibility while also enhancing your mind-body connection, essential for mindful movements. Strength training is another crucial component. Incorporate exercises like squats and lunges to improve lower body strength, critical for movements like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair, using your body weight or light dumbbells. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 repetitions. Gradually increase the resistance as your strength builds to continue challenging your muscles. Functional training also plays an important role in enhancing everyday movements. Exercises such as deadlifts mimic the action of lifting objects from the ground, reinforcing proper techniques and body mechanics. This helps in avoiding strain during daily tasks. Additionally, practice stepping up and down on a sturdy platform to improve balance and coordination. Don't overlook the importance of upper body strength either. Incorporating push-ups and rows not only tones your arms, but also supports movements like reaching for items on higher shelves. Progress from wall push-ups to regular push-ups based on your comfort and strength. A strong upper body is key to maintaining independence as it allows us to lift, pull, and push effectively. Finally, always listen to your body and adjust the intensity and frequency of workouts to suit your individual needs. With consistent practice, these exercises will transform your everyday movements into confident, effortless actions, allowing you to embrace life fully. Remember, improvement takes time, but every small step counts towards a more active and healthier lifestyle.